Step into the 2013 Ram 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are intermittent wipers, power outlet, automatic headlights, engine immobilizer, black PWR trailer tow mirrors incorporated, integrated turn signals courtesy lamps heating element, traction control, bright white, black diesel gray cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, and AM/FM stereo. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.